Hey guys, Josh at ACEBEC, Northwest Ohio Home Inspections. Had an older, well, I shouldn't say older, I should just say rusted. There we go, electrical service here behind me. And something I run into quite a bit, and I kind of want to point it out here and show you. Something you can kind of look for if you have this similar setup here. I'll get that right, I don't know. Stay tuned. Okay, so we got a typical residential setup here with an SE cable. And what I want to talk about today is the sheathing on here. You can see this is deteriorated here and kind of cracked up, and you might not, think it's a big deal. Then up here too at the meter base fitting, you can see it there. This upper part looks pretty good, but what happens is that's a protective. Obviously, that's a sheathing and protects the main wires. And in this case, well, you can get water down in here too. And what happens is that that follows that wire, and it has nowhere else to go except the panel. And I'll show you here an example of what it looks like and what can happen. All right, so I made it down to the basement here where the main service is at. You can see it extends all the way. That outside service was out here, and I popped this panel off, a 150 amp Wadsworth older panel, but you can see the moisture stains there running down the bus bar, and then you can see the rust on the back here, and then look at the bottom of this thing too. And then there's those wires. That's that same sheathing out there. This looks nice and intact, what it should look like, but the UV rays and sun deteriorate that sheathing, and that's what happens. And then, like I said, that water's just following this good sheathing down here, and you can see the leakage there at where the wires are exposed and leaking into that panel. I guarantee if it was raining, how I'd see it. Obviously that's a bigger situation. That's kind of what I wanted to show you. So yeah, just something you can kind of check out if you ever see that deteriorating on your own home, or call an electrician ASAP and get it taken care of before something bad happens like this.